To stay ahead of the competition, you need to foster greater innovation and collaboration throughout your value network. But you want to do it in a way that leverages new technology while keeping your existing CAD investment. Introducing PLM Collaboration Services, a gateway to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform for CATIA V5 users. Connect CATIA V5 to the most advanced cloud-based innovation platform on the market and embark on your digital transformation journey while securing your CATIA V5 investment. Unlock new possibilities for product development and boost productivity, allowing more time to design and innovate. And give teams the power to collaborate seamlessly and securely in the cloud, whether they're in the office, on-site, or on the move. Simplify and streamline every stage of the creation process. And gain business agility with end-to-end digital continuity, improving time to market. Continue your designs in CATIA V5 and discover more apps for design, analysis, manufacturing, and more. Plus, share your designs in a secure, high-performance work environment from any device, anywhere, at any time. So to foster greater innovation and collaboration, get started with PLM Collaboration Services today.